Hi everyone and welcome to Raymondo Lee Travel. So today we are taking a bit of an adventure around a place called Wicken Fen in Cambridgeshire. We actually did this as a stop off on the way down to Suffolk and we are glad we did. It's well worth a visit and it's well worth your time. So I hope you enjoy it and please remember to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new here. Thank you and enjoy. Any ideas what this is, guys? Yeah. Traditional outdoor toilet. So you got toilet into a bucket. Shell. Yeah. Some pictures there, what the original. I'll show you the fan lot. We made some ducks. Oh, milling machine. Oh. Nice little garden. Hey? No, it's not. What have we got? It's an old barn, that. I'm thatching for the roof, look. So you used to get it from the fens.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
See?
boat it down.
Boat it down the fens. For peat's sake, it's obviously you get lots of peat from as well. Peat in blocks. you can do a seasonal summer nature trail in the summertime. It's shut at the moment because we're in spring, and you can see it's to protect the fenland plants. So yeah, but you can do a nice nature trail walk from here. And as we walk around in the summer months, you also have the ability to take a little boat ride, which is also shut. So basically, you'd be walking down. If you walk down here, you'd walk into the old Tower Hyde on the nature trail, and then here is where you get the boat, and you can do a nice boat ride as well. But again, it's currently shut. The floating jetty regularly run in the summer months, but you have to book your seat in the visitor centre. Yeah, a great little place to have a wander around. It's got a boardwalk that you can do. It's a short boardwalk, so it won't take you long. And there's an adventure trail if you want to do a longer walk, and then the nature trail within the fen, which I've already showed you, if you want to do that. So overall, not a bad little experience, folks, and worth the walk. And I imagine when it's a bit warmer in the summer, it's a fantastic place to have a little walk around. Quite enjoying it. Love the boardwalk. So yeah, definitely worth a visit, folks. And you can see now we've pretty much come full circle, and we're back round to the windmill. So this is what you get in the fen. This is the fish. So there's rudd, common bream, tench, roach, pretty much what we're getting all across the UK. Pike, loach, perch and eels. Now we've walked around, we've come out the site, past the wind pump, and then we've walked around the adventure trail, and it's brought us back up here where the boat launches from. Wow. So this clock was placed here in 1837. So we have a small war memorial here in Wicken. 1939 to 1945, 4 names on it. And then a few more names on the 1914 to 1919. And when you look at it, bearing in mind how small this place is, there's quite a lot of people. And now we're going to go and check out the wind pump, which is just over here. The last of the 4 Wickens public pumps. It was only used until mains water came in 1949. Now, unusually, I've got to show you this beautiful cottage. Look at this. Picturesque. But you don't food?
No, pick off.
Look at it in a minute properly. Hey? So this is where there used to be a limestone cross, medieval limestone cross, marked the site of the Monday market, granted to Humphrey Basingbourne in 1331. Obviously the cross is actually missing now. I can see how beautiful the area is. These beautiful properties here. So that's it today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the walk around Wicken Fen and the village of Wicken in Cambridgeshire. Massive thanks to the members of the channel, and special thanks to the gold members, Joe Blalock, Ramon Lamares, TSG Adventures, and This Is Eppo. And please remember to check out the playlist of Cambridgeshire. Thank you and goodbye.